And this is how they look once you have it on. Hello my friends, welcome back. For today we are reviewing some heated socks. So let's open this up and show you what you get. It says, attention, please fully charge around 4 hours before use. Hand wash or machine wash must put into the wash bag. Any quality or size problems, they have an email for you to email them if you have a problem with this, which is really nice. So right away we see they provide you with a manual, a user guide. Inside here we have our batteries. They provide you with a USB outlet charger, so this gets plugged into your outlet. They also supply you with the USB charger for the batteries. Now you could plug this into any USB port like a power bank and charge your batteries, or plug it just like this and plug this into the wall outlet and into your batteries. Let's go ahead and show you what the batteries look like. So the batteries are right here. They are 7.4 volts, 2200 mAh, watts, 16.28 WH. So make sure you remove the batteries if you're going to wash these. So these are the socks themselves. So they're like a nice gray with almost like a dark deep gray. Some might even call this black, but it looks like a deep gray. You got a light gray base. Wow, they actually feel really soft. So to charge or to actually use these, pop the cap off, plug in. By the way, we had these charged for 4 hours. That's what they recommend you doing. Charge this for 4 hours before you plug it in. We've already charged these up, but this is how it goes. Plug it in like this, plug this in the outlet. You have a charging indicator light right here. It should turn green once it is done. And you can charge both batteries at the same time. But to use it, you plug it in like this. Pull this back. Place the battery inside here. And it's nice and hidden away. The socks are super warm, so keep that in mind. And they are long, so they're designed to go up very far. These are not like your typical small right at the low ankle socks. These go the whole way up your leg. Press and hold this button and it will turn red. Press and hold, or just press and it turns white. So you got white, blue, red. Red is for high mode. White is low. Blue is medium. Red is high. And this is how they look once you have it on. Now they do heat up pretty quickly. So your foot and your feet start to feel warm. And it's like a periodic heating. Now they're designed not to heat up rapidly, but designed to slowly heat up, but you can feel it as it's heating up. So they're comfortable. I like them. And you can see they go up almost to my kneecap. Overall, they're nice. And the nice thing is, even though they're big and they're tight, which a plus, they can work as compression socks, they're just nice. You don't really notice it that they're that tight though. Overall, I'm happy.